Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Houzz App to design a room or whatever you want to design in Houzz App on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. As we know that Houzz App is used for home designs and home design inspiration, finding home improvement professionals, shopping for furniture and decor, and planning renovation project. It helps homeowners and designers discover ideas with professional and processed product from their homes. So now to use Houzz App to design a room, you need to follow a few steps. Like if you have downloaded the app Houzz, that's fine. If not, then you need to just download the app on a device, and after that here you can find the millions of photos or any kind of renovation you want. Suppose if I like this design or this renovation, and I have to just click on this heart icon which is listed at the very right side of this page. So simply we can just click on this heart option, and after that this design will be listed on your idea books. For that you need to just click on the option more, which is listed in the very bottom right of this page, and click on this three dot icon. After that your profile settings will be appear. From all of this you need to just click on the idea books, which is listed at the very top of this page. Click on the idea book and click on this wish list, and here you can see your wish list options. And from if I have like this option, so now to buy or purchase or to design any kinds of ideas, so you need to just click on this, and from this page you need to just click on this option here, like photos option or their individual profiles, their designers, contractors profile. Just click on this here, and from here, like here you can see their work, their phone number, their locations. Now you just need to collaborate and share your designs. Like you can share your idea books and design with others or with professional you may be working with. So if you need help with designs or installation, you can find local professional like interior designers or contractors by searching through the app. Or if you want to just work with their own designs, you need to just visit their individual profile, and you can just send the messages. You can just contract with them, you can share your ideas and design a room from Houzz App. So this is very easy to follow and easy to do. That's how you can just contact with them and contract with them. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.